how large do you imagine the biggest volcano on Earth to be? Now compare that to the size of the largest volcano in the solar system. Can you fathom the difference? Let's take a moment to consider Earth's most gigantic volcanic marvel, Mauna Loa. Located in the heart of the Pacific Ocean on the Hawaiian island chain, Mauna Loa is a beast of a volcano. It's not just the height that's impressive, reaching over 13,000 feet above sea level. It's the sheer volume of the beast. We're talking about an estimated volume of nearly 18,000 cubic miles. That's enough to fill the Grand Canyon not once, not twice, but over 18 times. Just try to wrap your head around that for a moment. But as colossal as Mauna Loa may seem, it's merely a terrestrial toddler when compared to the solar system's volcanic behemoths. But hold on to your seats, because the largest volcano in the solar system dwarfs Mauna Loa. Welcome to Mars, the home of Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system. This towering behemoth redefines the term gargantuan, standing nearly 22 kilometers high. For a sense of scale, that's almost triple the height of Mount Everest, the tallest peak on Earth. Olympus Mons doesn't just stand tall, it spreads wide too, with a diameter stretching an astounding 600 kilometers. To put that into perspective, it's roughly equivalent to the length of the entire United Kingdom. This monstrous volcano is so vast, it would take a commercial airplane over an hour to fly across it. Nestled on the Tharsis Plateau, Olympus Mons stands as a solitary giant amidst Mars' dusty red landscape. But what makes this volcano truly unique is its caldera, a complex, overlapping structure formed by multiple collapses over time. This caldera spans about 80 kilometers, comparable to the size of the Grand Canyon. Then there's the escarpment, a steep cliff that surrounds the entire volcano. This cliff, or cliff face, is about 6 kilometers high. That's like stacking over 15 Empire State Buildings on top of each other. So, how does one truly grasp the scale of Olympus Mons? Well, it's challenging. But just try to imagine standing at the foot of a volcano that's nearly triple the height of Mount Everest. It's a sight that is both awe-inspiring and humbling, a testament to the grandeur of the cosmos beyond our home planet. So, what makes Olympus Mons tower over other volcanoes in the solar system? To answer that, let's recap on what we've learned so far. Olympus Mons, the colossal volcano on Mars, owes its mind-boggling size to a couple of key factors. One of these is the lack of tectonic plate activity on the red planet. Unlike Earth, where the shifting and sliding of tectonic plates limit the size of a volcano, Mars's stationary crust allows for a continuous buildup of erupted material over millions of years. This means Olympus Mons has been able to grow and grow without interruption, reaching heights that dwarf any volcano on Earth. Then, there's the matter of Mars's low surface gravity, which is only about 38% of Earth's. This lower gravity prevents the mountain from collapsing under its own weight, allowing Olympus Mons to maintain its towering stature. Without this, the giant volcano would simply be too heavy to hold itself up. So thanks to a stationary crust and low surface gravity, Olympus Mons has grown to become the largest volcano in our solar system. It stands at an impressive 13.5 miles high, which is nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest, Earth's highest peak. There's still much to learn about this celestial giant, but one thing is for certain: Olympus Mons truly puts our earthly volcanoes to shame.